Thanks for all those new subscribers after the last time. Welcome to the channel, and I received some interesting questions. One of them was, what do I do if I don't have a projector to do the mapping in real time? So today, for the very simple 4-corner pin, I will show you a method using your phone. Sometimes you're in a situation where you can't afford a projector for more time, or you're in a hurry, or people shouldn't see what you're doing before you're actually doing it. So mapping in real life isn't always possible. There is a solution, however, that Ludwig Pani, the inventor of the Pani slide projector, published in the 1930s in several articles. In those articles, he mentioned how to use a camera or just the optics of a camera and a blank paper to pre-prepare your mapping. This is what we now refer to as blind mapping. Welcome to our little fake venue, and as you can clearly see, the projector is missing. So here is where the projector will be. Let's first measure the distance between our projector, or where the projector is going to be, and what we're going to project on. Just by accident, chosen by me for simplicity's sakes, 1.47 meters, which we know will result in a 1 meter wide image. Let's mark the 1 meter wide image the projector will produce. Whoa, that shouldn't happen. Let's put our camera just where the optics of the projectors will be and take a photo. It should be a fairly easy task to transfer the image that we took to our computer and then use it in After Effects to prepare our mapping. So now we find ourselves in this scene that we actually prepared a little while ago, but now instead of projecting live, we just put our image in the background, scale it, shift in place, and now map our content to it. From here on, we are pretty well prepared to map within a few seconds, as soon as the projector is in place. If we now connect our computer to the projector, it should be as close as possible to what we expect. The only thing we now have to do is do the fine-tuning. This takes about a few seconds. This is what we call a blind mapping. It's how you prepare your mapping before you're at the venue. If you're on a budget and your projector is expensive and you can only afford it for a few hours, this is how you prepare it and then be ready when you arrive at the set. However, this is still based on the findings of Thales from Milet. You remember last time, the mapping guy? Yeah.